Good morning, y'all. Happy Thanksgiving. I hope you're having a blessed one. I'm fixing to start on sweet potato casserole. Thanks, babe. So I'm going to let y'all see that preparation of that. And also the recipe will be down in the description box. I can't link it because I don't know why, but it won't work for me. So if y'all are wanting to see a sweet potato casserole recipe from, it's a Mennonite recipe and it's absolutely delicious. Okay, y'all, so now we are gonna take the potato skins and we're gonna feed them to the animals. So y'all get to watch me feed Dolly and Waylon and Loretta. Can you see them? They're over that way. Come on. Come on. Come on, Dolly. Hi, babies. Hi, babies. That's Loretta with the horns. And that's Waylon. Hey, buddy. Come on, Dolly. Chow time. Okay, so first piece. Who's getting it? Is it you, Retta? You want it? You want it, Waylon? Happy Thanksgiving. Is it good? Here, Retta, try the little piece. Here, try a little piece. You don't like it? Waylon said he likes it. Waylon likes it, huh? You want to try that? That's an actual tater. Yeah, what do you think about that? Happy Thanksgiving, guys. Dolly! Dolly! Dolly, there's food! I may have to walk up there and give her some, but I'm just gonna drop a handful here for them to eat on. And now I'm gonna go find Dolly. Dolly! I don't really want to walk out there because I got my house shoes on. Dolly! Come on! Come on, food! Come on, baby! Come on, you want some? She's looking, she's thinking about it. Come on! Dolly! Dolly, food! She is interested in the grass. Well, what's left of the grass. Come on, Dolly! 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 Dolly Parton, come on! Oh my goodness, go on, cat. That's not for you. Alright, Dolly, come on! Dolly! She's still not coming. I don't know what her problem is today. She got mad at me for putting her in the trailer one night, so she hadn't been the same to me since. There we go. Happy Thanksgiving, guys. Happy Thanksgiving, Retta. Happy Thanksgiving, Waylon. Happy Thanksgiving, Bubba. How you do? How you do, buddy? How Happy Thanksgiving, Dolly. Okay, y'all, so this is what my, hold on. All right, so this is what the sweet potato casserole came out looking like. Oh my goodness, it's so good, y'all. So I made 2 of them because I may just leave one here and take one to Thanksgiving dinner. I also made rolls, and I just put some butter and parsley and a special seasoning on it. So yeah. Alright, yeah, so I hope you have a blessed Thanksgiving. If you like this recipe, go ahead and leave me a comment in the comment section. And I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye, y'all.